Everybody, on today's show we're going to have pineapple chicken with wild flavored cherry brandy, so you don't want to miss it. And we're going to have a couple other little surprises too, so stay tuned. It's going to be a good one. Off with the pineapple, canned crushed pineapple. We're going to use only half a can and put the other half for later on. So we got the pineapple here. We're going to put our seasoning: salt, pepper, basil, oregano. Right here is the garlic. Put the garlic in there. You want to mix it up pretty good. Just keep mixing. Got a bowl. I'm going to put this freezer bag in here. This is for the brine. I'm going to start off, I'm going to put the water in here, about 2 cups of water, salt, 1/4 cup of salt. I'm going to put our pineapple mixture with our seasons in there. And then we're going to put some cherry brandy, about a 1/4 cup of cherry brandy. Hold on, let me see if it fits cherry brandy. Yeah, it's good cherry brandy. Let's put a little bit more. Seal the bag up, smush it around some, get it all mixed up good and well. Chicken breast here, it's about a pound or so. What I usually do is take my fork and poke some holes in there. Flip it around the other side. You can salt and pepper it if you want, but it don't make no sense because it's going to be in the brine. So why even worry about that? Then set this off and bring my brine over, put it in the bag, seal it up, mix it up a little bit, and off to the refrigerator for 2 to 4 hours, if overnight if you want. And there you go. Right, here we go. Now we're going to prep it for the barbecue, the grill. Here's our rest of our crushed pineapples. Made another batch of seasoning with the pepper, salt, and garlic. Same thing. Add some more of this wild cherry brandy. Oh yeah. Mix it up in there. That's what I do. Mix it up. I got over here tin foil. Take some of this and dry it down on there. Spread it out throughout on tin foil. Here's your chicken that's been right here brining for 4 hours. Just take that out, throw it right there on your plate. Like that. What I like to do is put some on top. Yeah. Now all we're going to do is wrap it up in the tin foil and put it out on the grill. A 1, 2, 3, 4, hidey-ho, hidey-ho. It's the Hungry Piney cooking show, hidey-ho. We got the grill preheated, 400 degrees. It's ready for the chicken. Just take your packet, put it right on there. Gotta sit back, relax, let it cook down. Maybe enjoy some more brandy because we got about 20 minutes. It's pretty thick. Want to cook it thoroughly through. And we'll be back in 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes now. Let's check it out. Wild flavored cherry brandy with pineapple chicken. Just gonna flip it over for another 10 minutes or so. Make sure it's thoroughly cooked. It's chicken, you don't want to kill nobody. Meanwhile, I got a little brandy left. Catch you in a few. You know, if you wanted to, you could just take your knife and cut right into the tin foil. Check it that way. Yeah, a little bit longer. Better safe than sorry. Hungry Piney secret. What I like to do is take the breast, cut it down in the middle a little bit. Take some more of your brandy. Just drop it on in there. Oh yeah. Hungry Piney secret. Don't tell nobody. Pretty much ready to plate it up. Got this plate right here warming up. Reveal the chicken. Look at that. I like to do, I just put it here. Right on the plate. Put some of these drippings down here. Put them on there. Awesome. Pineapple chicken with cherry brandy. Here's your surprise. Oh no, not vegetables. You got it. Every little piney gotta eat their vegetables. Right here we got some corn and green beans. Awesome. Check it out. Keep some off of here. There you have it. Pineapple chicken with cherry brandy, baked potato, got the vegetables going. That's some good eatins. I'm the Hungry Piney. Till next time.